Today, we will finally understand one of the most important foundations of accounting, the double-entry accounting system, and how our software makes it incredibly simple for anyone to manage accurate financial records. Let's begin. Double-entry accounting is the backbone of modern financial record-keeping. It's a system where every transaction is recorded in two places. One account is debited and another account is credited. Think of it like maintaining perfect balance. If money moves from one pocket to another, you don't just track one side, you track both. This ensures your accounts always stay accurate, complete, and balanced. Every business, small or large, relies on this system because it prevents errors, catches mistakes, and provides a clear financial picture. Every transaction affects two sides because money never appears or disappears. It only moves. For example, if you buy office supplies for cash, supplies go up, debit, cash goes down, credit. If a customer pays you, cash goes up, debit, sales revenue increases, credit. This two-account system guarantees that your accounting equation stays balanced. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Double entry ensures this equation is always true. Let's start the tutorial. First, open the website FarrukhBooks.com. Then click on Getting Started. Here, you will see the login dialog where you can log in using email and password or continue with Google. The first time, you should continue with Google. This will automatically create your local account. Later, you can log in with email and password, and you can change them anytime you need. Now, click Continue with Google. A Google dialog will open. Select your email or account and click Continue. We are now logged in. Since this is our first time logging in, we do not have any company created yet. Click Create Company. Next, enter the company name. I will set the company name to Company 1. Then click Next. Enter a short description and click Next. If you have an image for your company logo, you can upload it here. For now, I will skip the image and click Next. It is very important to check the option Add Pre-Built Accounts to My Company, because every company needs many essential accounts. We cannot manually create all of them right now, so we allow the software to add the pre-built accounts. Click Next. And now, the company is successfully created. As you can see in the dialog, we have the company name and description. If we go to Accounts, List Accounts, we will see all the accounts here: assets, liabilities, equity, income, expenses, and contra accounts. Now, I will give an example of adding a double entry transaction using bank fees. Go to New Journal Entry. Select bank fees as the account. Bank fees is an expense, so we will enter a debit of $50. Then, select cash as the credit account. You may notice that the Submit button is disabled until the entry is balanced. Now that both sides match, the button is enabled. Click Submit. And yes, the journal entry has been added. To view this entry, go to View Journal, and you can see it here. Bank fees, debit, and cash, credit. That's all for now.